In this video, I'll guide you through how to turn off Steam's pop-up ads and other relaunch pop-ups. If you're tired of seeing promotional pop-ups, update notifications, or relaunch messages every time you open Steam, you're in the right place. Steam includes a setting that controls these notifications, and turning it off can give you a cleaner and less distracting experience. In this guide, I'll show you exactly where to find that setting and how to disable it in just a few minutes. To begin, open the Steam application on your computer by double-clicking the Steam icon. Once the application launches, you'll be taken to the Steam homepage. If you aren't already signed in, you'll need to log in before you can access your account settings. Click the Sign In button and enter your account credentials. Make sure you type everything correctly and keep your login information secure. If you're using a shared computer, avoid saving your login details on the device. After entering your credentials, click Sign In to continue to your Steam homepage. Once you're signed in, look toward the top left corner of the Steam window and click on Steam. This will open a drop-down menu containing several account and application options. From this menu, select Settings to open Steam's Preferences window. Inside the Settings window, locate and click the Interface section from the menu on the left-hand side. This category contains several options that control how Steam looks and behaves when you launch the application or use it throughout the day. Scroll through the available settings until you find the option labeled Notify Me about additions or changes to my games, new releases, and upcoming releases. If there's currently a check mark beside this option, it means these notifications are enabled. To stop these pop-up messages from appearing, simply uncheck the box. Once it's disabled, Steam will no longer display those promotional and update-related pop-ups, giving you a cleaner experience whenever you use the application. After making the change, it's a good idea to verify that the setting has been applied successfully. You can do this by switching to another settings category and then returning to the interface section to confirm that the checkbox remains unchecked. That's all there is to it. You've successfully turned off Steam's pop-up ads and other relaunch notifications, making the application much less distracting to use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.